my name is Nicole, and today I am going to show you how to create a button using MaxButtons Pro. And this is a great plugin that you can use for your WordPress site, and it includes the ability to add icons and text and change up the colors of your buttons. So I'm going to head over to my site and add new. So to begin, usually I start off with a general size just so I can add in the icon and see what I'm working with. And I've got some different icons already downloaded. So today let's make a shopping cart icon button. And the size of it is 64, which is pretty big for a button. Generally I try to go with around 24 to 32 pixels, but you can play with whatever you have. Let's do 32. And that looks okay to me. Let's get it onto the button. And because we have text, let's put the icon left of text. And you can see that the size of the button is a little bit off. So let's bring it up to 34. Make it a little bit longer. And reposition the button, or sorry, the icon. Okay. So again, you can just play around with it, and I like that location. Next thing I want to do, well, I'll add my text and then I'll change the color of it. Add to cart. And we'll just move the position of that down a little bit. Okay, that looks centered to me. That font, we need to change that up. So let's make this, let's say, Open Sans. Okay, and make it a little bit smaller. 14 pixels looks good to me. Okay, and let's change up the colors now. So as you can see in the MaxButtons Pro plugin, you have the option to create the hover version of your button, so when someone on your site has their mouse on it, the button changes. It's a great feature. Okay, let's get into some blue colors and make this a fun button. Oops. Okay. That'll be our starting point for the lighter color, and then I generally do a darker color for the bottom. And I copy and I paste that so it's the same color in the reverse. And let's change up the border color. Okay. And to cart. Okay. And that is okay for that. I want to make the border a little bit bigger, so instead of it being 1 pixel, I'm going to make it 2. And let's change the color of the text. Make it darker. Okay, and I'm going to make it the same for the hover version. And I'm actually not going to add text shadow on this button. I'm going to make it very simple. So these colors don't matter because I'm going to take off the shadow. And you actually won't see that change until you save the button. But there we have it for now. Okay, so let's do shopping buttons. Add to cart and save it so that I can just take away the border, see what I'm working with here. Okay, so to make that pop a little bit, I think I'm going to make a little bit bigger and bring it up a little bit more. And again, once you create a button, you can really play around with it to work on what looks best. But I think that looks okay. Other than the darker color, I'm just going to lighten it up a little bit. and change it for the opposite over here. And there you have it. We have an add to cart button. And if we save that, oops, sorry, save it, and we go to our buttons window, there is the shortcode that we can copy and paste anywhere on our website to use this button. And there you have it. There is a button created with MaxButtons Pro. Thanks for watching.